Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and like, comment, share our videos. Thank you. Hello all, I am Dr. Neha and welcome to my channel Physio for You. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So today, as this is going on Stay Home, Stay Healthy series, we will be saying 5 mistakes we usually do in our daily activities which may increase the knee pain. So let's see. Mistakes we usually make in sitting positions are like, first is if you are sitting for a long time, we are tend to cross our legs like that, and most of the time we tend to only one leg for longer hours. So this gives stress on the medial side of the knee, which is the most common cause or most common site of the pain in the knee joint. So we tend to cross our legs for longer time and we kind of sit like this way for longer time. So this gives stress on your knee joint, right? Secondly, if we are at home, we tend to cross our legs this way or just try to keep our legs this way, and that we the same position we hold it for longer hours. It gives stress coming on your knee joint, okay, and it gives the pain or it gives a stiffness also. So after some time, if we try to stand, there is a stiffness and pain, and if you try to get up from the chair, the pain is more that you are not able to get up, you get lots of pain. And while just you stand, and if you try to walk, the steps will be painful, and after some time you feel now it has got better, right? So what we can do is that when you are sitting for longer time, you just need to take support of your back. Your hip should be 90, knee should be 90, right? And your feet should touch the ground. It should not be hanging that way because it gives stress on the knee joint, right? Next is if you are working in offices or if you are sitting or using the office chair for the working, you tend to take your knees back this way, right? So in this way, if you are sitting, it gives stress on your knee joint, which comes continuously. So it increases the pain and increases the stiffness, right? So don't do these positions, don't use these positions. What you have to do is hip should be 90, knee should be 90, foot should touch the ground. If you feel the chair is not supportive at your back, just take the back support so that this whole posture that will be maintained very well and it will not give stress on your knee joint. If you are already having pain in your knee joint, what you can do is before just getting up, just try to release the stress coming on your joint by just lifting the knee. Okay? This way. Right? And while getting up, just take the support and get up. You can wait for some time, just few seconds, and then try to walk. So that will not give you pain, and the stiffness which is there on your joint, even that will get reduced. So try these tips because this will be really helpful for you. Now those people who are having a long time standing work, what they can do is they have to stand shoulder width apart while doing that work, right? So that the weight coming on both the knee joint will be the same, okay? Most of the time what we do is we try to give weight on only one leg, or we try to just stand like that, or just most of the females take this position while cooking in the kitchen. So stop doing that because that gives undue stress on your joint, right? So the main position is you have to stand shoulder width apart like that. If you are having very much pain, what you can do is just take a small stool so that you can keep your foot on that. So the stress coming on that leg will be less. After some time, just shift the other leg so that on the other leg also the whatever stress is coming, that will get reduced, right? Just take breaks in between so that you can sit for some time so that your joints will also get rest. If you are having lots of cutting work or other sorting out things, just sit, do all the chores, and only while cooking just stand in the kitchen. So that will help to reduce the stress coming on your knee joint. Other thing what you can do is you have to put the knee cap, right? So that it will give support to your joint and the stress coming on the joint will be less. So these are the few tips you can use if you are having long standing work, right? So while sleeping, what mistakes we usually do is that we tend to turn our foot outward this way when we are having pain, or if there are any weaknesses in the leg, we tend to keep our foot while sleeping this way. As this is a relaxed position and most of the people do that, but if you are already having pain, the medial side of the knee, the stress is more and the pain increases. What we can do in that, we can use pillow. So you can use the pillow at the side of your knee this way, so that the knee will get supported and foot will not turn outward. Otherwise, you can just shift the pillow towards your ankle, right? So that ankle will get supported, it will not turn outward, and the stress coming on your medial side of the knee, that will get reduced, right? Other thing, if you want that the pain is more, you can just keep a small napkin roll down the knee so that it will support your knee joint. But you are not supposed to keep a big pillow this way, because if you hold it for longer time while during whole night, if you are keeping the leg this way, then there are chances that the muscles, back muscles and the front muscles, they tend to get tight, so the stiffness around the joint will increase. So we are not supposed to take a big pillow, but yes, you can take a small napkin roll that will support the joint at the back of the knee. When you are lying down in the sideline position, we tend to turn our knee inside, right? So the stress coming on the joint is more. And if this is your painful area, and if you are keeping the another knee on it, the pain will increase and the tenderness will also increase. So what we can do is, you can take a pillow this way in between the knees and lie down when you are lying down on the sideline position, so that the stress coming on the medial side of the knee, that will be reduced. Your knee positions will be maintained very well, and it will not increase the stress coming on the knee joint, right? So for those people who are having difficulty while climbing up the stairs because they are already having knee pain, this is a technique we usually tell our patients, right? So considering that you are having pain in your right knee, while climbing up the stairs, you should use the knee which is not painful, right? So if you are having pain in the right knee, you should climb up the stairs with the left knee, right? You can use the bars also if you are having it. So just give weight on the left knee and take the right knee on the same stair, okay? Again, take the left knee up and same right knee on the stair, on the same stair, okay? Don't give weight on the painful knee, because while climbing up, the whole body weight comes on the knee joint, so it will be very painful. So you should be using the knee which is not painful. And in case if you are having pain in both the knees, you should use the knee which is less painful, right? Now getting down, at the time of getting down, you should get down with the knee which is painful, right? So if you are having pain in your right knee, you should go down on the right knee first, then the another one, then again the affected knee, and then the another one. So this will help you to reduce the stress and the pain of the knee joint. And last but not the least, main important is you are supposed to do regular exercises and stretchings, right? So that will help to maintain the strength of the knee joint, improve the flexibility of the knee joint, so that will reduce the stress and pain of the knee joint. So the description box we have given the links of the exercises and stretchings. You can go through that and you can start the exercises and stretching so that the stress and the pain will get reduced. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.